How to change app icon size on iPhone. To change the app icon and text size all of different size on your iPhone device, this video is for you. For that, first of all, what you need to do is launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings, there you will see display and brightness option. Simply tap on that. Now, scroll down to the last, there you will see display zoom option. Go through it and make it to larger text. Then hit on the done from the top right. Now, as you can see, my icon and text size has been increased. Now to make it to normal, simply go through the settings again and go through the display zoom and make it to default. In this way, you can easily change the app icon size on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.